not true. I wanna put up all my walls.
Last year there was an exhibition called BAUMA, but the government organizers of the exhibition decided to stop their activities in Russia, and this year the exhibition has already taken place under the new name. Already last year there was a strong information among the participants of the exhibition, but this year it has worsened even more. For example, very little lifting equipment was present. Western companies are replacing Chinese manufacturers of construction equipment en masse. The Belarusian manufacturer also does not lag behind and widely uses this equipment at the exhibition. A large area of one of the pavilions was occupied by Turkish companies with spare parts and equipment. The fact that the exhibition differs from last year's was evident even from afar. Surely, even at the entrance to the pavilions, far from me the crane booms could be seen. This year they were gone. The exhibition was ignored by almost all domestic manufacturers of special equipment. The main Russian participants in such events decided not to show the new items. And this is truly understandable. The factories are mostly idle and do not work. There's nowhere for new models to come from. There's nothing to advertise and sell. It is surprising that the Belarusian manufacturer was able to allocate funds and bring several new cars to Moscow. There's nothing to say about European manufacturer sales have stopped. Representative offices are closed. Just like the Japanese are no longer perceived as participants in the process. Chinese brands now have the opportunity to deploy in Russia at full capacity. And not to say that the operators strongly complain about the quality of Chinese road construction equipment. A Turkish brand has joined a large number of Chinese brands with construction equipment. The word import substitution was often heard at the exhibition. Import substitution is the main goal to which they go ahead regardless of cost. In fact, then it turns out that by import substitution, many manufacturers understand the replacement of foreign components with Chinese and Turkish ones. If you look at the part of the exhibition that unfolded on the street in front of the pavilions, it seems that nothing actually has changed. Only when you get closer you realize that all the European companies that left the Russian market have been replaced by Chinese manufacturers. And also with regret, you can notice that the Russian manufacturers of construction equipment absolutely did not take the chance to fill the empty place in the market and could not demonstrate anything.